school things, man. I didn't feel myself. You understand? Oh, that year of the dance. We got to pray just to make it today. I just will pray. Fuji garbage come out. From nowhere, she no put that just come out. I thought you left. All right. So quickly, ladies and gentlemen, that Banky W. Even me, I know it's not fake. I don't want to tell him.
No, but the guy resemble
him. The guy, he resemble him.
I believe.
You say you believe, Abi?
Now when you no can sing that song, I shock.
No, that song, he kill himself.
They say yeah.
He say yeah. Finish.
He come like na be the video visit.
And he no come feel the dance that. You know, say Banky W, the dance one dance like this. The wine waist, walk like the wine waist. But this one, nothing. Don't like. You go don't say akpu, don't fool on the waist everywhere. You get all thick, don't stiff. Any which way. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring in my second guest for the day. This brother I want to carry enter now. He don't take for the ministry. Now veteran in the column, and he go follow us just every on top of the acting, the modeling, the MCing, the authorship. Let me say don't write books and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, make it help me make welcome inside the studio, MC Obi-Hart. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Please take your seats. Woo! That one just we let out more energy just now. Hey, even me don't taste I dance like that.
Hey, what I see as just the boogie.
The boogie the thing.
The boogie the thing they go.
You know, we have to continue like that. As some of us don't feel they run for express, go they do jogging every morning. When we hear music, we they dance.
Now, good form of exercise, you know.
Very good form of exercise.
Sure.
I'm very happy to say we get a veteran inside the building. Person we don't do modeling before, you don't do acting, you don't do every. First and foremost, make we first meet you.
Okay.
So just hear us about who bros be like this. But because we don't know sabi everything because we don't say you know a model before that year. Okay. From the 90s then, you don't take for this thing. Now put the background for this thing. Okay. Follow us about the thing first.
Okay. Good people like they agree to now. I agree to now. Everybody wait there for house, you know, everybody in the house, I agree to now. As you can't ask now, make I just go straight because I know soon I don't get time.
Yes.
First and foremost, my name be the real name where they take know me be Obiora.
Okay.
You know, Celeste be my English name.
Okay, Celeste in the inside too.
You know. Then Noka, double N-O-K, and that one be my surname.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
But you know, when you enter showbiz, it gets something where they call make you get your trademark identity. Name. Very important.
Very important.
Where they go take, they know you. You know, see as you see Blackie down where you come, you know.
Yes.
Although you say not fake or.
We see they look.
But the guy resemble him.
He resemble him, but from your own judgment, how you
like. In fact, I go say look alike.
You look.
But not the same, you know.
The same. That guy if you go collect banking money for one event, too.
You know. So. I go school small.
Onto education background and all those things.
I went primary school. I go Fountain Primary School.
Okay.
For Sulere.
Okay.
I go Dennis Memorial Grammar School Onitsha.
Okay.
You know, one of these old grammar schools there.
Yeah,
you know. I can't enter university in the campus. You know, no be UNN. What do they say now? UNN.
Before people change one.
I go university. They call them Anambra State University of Technology, you know.
Okay.
But they don't change them to Enugu State University because of creation of states, you know.
Yes.
I studied that one, then went ahead to improve myself, you know. Extra other things. Then when we come, my popsy be late.
Okay.
You know, he was a personal assistant to Zeke.
Okay.
1960, you know.
Hey.
They never born me that time.
No, even me said they don't have a reason to bring me out.
So he was the first personal assistant to Zeke.
Okay.
That means say you know if you see Zeke.
Without you pass the part to your popsy.
And I come from Onitsha, you know, where the late popsy now Zeke of Africa.
Not there.
You know, we come from the same kindred, you know.
Okay.
So then my mom be the first Miss Nigeria, indigenous Miss Nigeria. You know, that's why I know come here, but I just say make I tell you, since you don't ask me, make I just give you, you know.
Yeah, that one
she win Miss Nigeria. That time now they start the thing because they say their parents know they allow them. They know if you make mistake,
say you won't do model,
they go break your head.
Kai.
You know, say na shallow job,
useless
job,
yes.
you know, go become anything.
Yes.
You know, so my mom was amongst the first. Then you can't get Rosemary and Yes Adams. You know, that one win for Miss Independence. You know.
Okay.
And that was 1960.
Kai.
But my mom still win 58.
1958.
Oh, that's why I tell you, say
this thing don't take.
I never enter. You know?
That time even Nigeria said never even reason to be Nigeria because in 1960 we can't get independence.
You know, so that showbiz thing, that modeling thing.
Yes.
I be the only child, you know, because I be the first Bob, you
okay,
know. And I come bless them, say, okay, have more children.
Exactly.
You know?
90-year road open for the remaining day.
My younger brother and I, lawyer in B, you know. And study business, you know. So I can't finish. We can't look for job that time, you know. When you finish university, make we just go.
But they catch everybody say, you can go find work.
Beautiful, you know. You be having a big driver, chauffeur, whatever they call them, you know.
So rest that time now. Money day.
You know. So when we can't look for job, you know, can't day. So opportunity. I can't run into Alex Osifo. I know they forget time.
Alex Osifo.
I can't meet them for Sule. You know, you say in the where get this kodo, you know.
Wait, now
modernized kodo, you know.
For as far as we don't know him, we never see hair for that head once, but we know his voice.
So they can't take cap, cover your head. Now I can't look. I did for bus stop, you know. I look. I say, you can't be like that big bros, Alex Osifo. I say, no be me. I said, now you.
Your voice sell out, come on.
You know? So he said, okay, come. Not me, you know? So we can't begin the talk. He said, first and foremost, somebody don't tell you, say, you go fit do modeling. I say, which one be modeling? Just like the time I say, can't do Miss Nigeria beauty pageant. Say, which one be Miss Nigeria beauty, you know? So I tell him, I say, me, I don't know what in Miss Nigeria, modeling be about. He say, make I tell you, if you don't do modeling, you know do broadcasting, you know do acting, your life don't finish.
Yeah.
No, you say you don't finish as part, you know,
but you don't look you now, say this guy, this angle, now your own be.
And my mom still don't tell me, say the day he born me, as I enter world, that's why I just begin to smile.
Okay, now smile, you smile, come out. Me, they say, now cough, I cough, come out too. I say, I'll come out.
You know? So when you can't tell me that thing, I can't jam the thing. So I can't begin the thing, say, acting. How this thing can day? You go fit pay for your daily bread. How you go come, you know? So we don't come think of popularity and all that. Now I can't begin to go. That time we get a place they call Rando. You go know
Rando, yeah, for sure later for there.
Myself, Chidi Mokeme.
Okay.
These are my contemporaries. Adam Williams. These are guys where you know.
The hustle from the beginning.
Hustle. I know where they live that time before I can begin the.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
So before I can travel abroad, but make I leave that one.
Okay.
So down the line, when I can enter, I can do modeling jobs. I remember one where I do that time, Gala advert.
Okay.
Gala, you know, 1994 now where we do that one. And I started modeling 92.
92. For modeling, I acting con the enter.
So I started from modeling. You know, see as I dress by modeling.
I say I go see reach there.
Okay. So as we come they do the thing from modeling. So that time, actors too they stiff.
Okay.
If they come, you give them role, they go they waka like you know, bone and all that, carry chairs, you know.
Okay.
So those of us we there for modeling, they come, they tell us, say, look, make we come enter into the industry, show them how they waka.
Okay.
You know, when I see some of these girls now, where they waka, they do like Poet and Killfish.
Yes.
They happy. Because it's part of modeling. You know, that's what we call the stage one, where you go waka
do the whole thing.
If you don't know,
you know go.
So from that place now, I can't enter acting. Now, the person will come push me again up.
Yes.
This, waiting they call her, man. I go, Jennifer Okere. He don't die.
Okay. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
So from there, acting can start. And then I can't start the first English-speaking movie.
So I see him for Century Hotel that day.
Okay.
Just like I see Alex Osifo, I can't say, sister, you be like, now you be Jennifer Okere. He lie. He said, don't be, you know, that time, popularity don't, and, you know, if you're too popular.
You go cool down, because you don't go to talk.
So he can't tell me, say, no be. Now he can't come in house, I say, bros, not me.
Okay.
But I know one people know, you know. I say, okay. So from there, we're able to
start all that things. They can't
so you can call me for when did they do Glamour Girls Part 1.
Okay.
Say they get audition and he know say the voice where I get, the body where the frame, I go fit do am well.
So because of time, I mean, I just try to see how we just take,
you know,
bridge everything like that.
So that's how I
from the acting just can't start. You can't, but you don't do on set with the likes of Genevieve Naji, RMD, all these big name them, and everybody. And you be married man self.
Yeah, I'm married now.
Now, to that particular level now, because you make I know even to branch into enter that particular one now. Wetin be the reason for the costuming like this? Because you say glove, hand glove dey inside the whole thing, the cap wey dey the head and everything, plus the jacket, everything. How, Shana say you decide to just give yourself this look? Because you go abroad, come back, you see the body.
No, be say I go abroad, you know. Abroad, that one day different. No, as a model or as a model.
Yes, okay.
You go they dress in such a way where if you say you do modeling, they will not say, you understand? Your costuming, the way you carry yourself, your packaging, you know, they're very important. So, but this one be the concept where I give myself. Anybody, as you mentioned MC Obi-Hart now, people go what they say, hey, if they don't see these gloves.
The glove.
Because this one is my signature.
Okay, with the hand glove like this. Because
some
people
look like
this na Okada.
No, this one day now my concept. You know, and for 19 years now, when I've been doing, they do the thing, both in Nigeria and outside. You know, if I travel sometimes, some friends will say, "Oh, boy, you can't jam." You know, you put some little thing they wakai.
For there. Okay.
So that's how the thing started until I come jam into broadcasting.
They can't do TV, do radio.
I come that time I did for DBN. Now we start this entertainment program. You know, whether they do phone in and all that.
All
you
those
know?
things there. Before you come out today, you go bless me. You say we now we be the smally for this whole thing now. We just want to start the whole thing. You go bless us. Because we say one day this where children say they come, but we say we go sit down like this, they talk to them. Say see. Because of time, and I don't shout for my ears and say one thing. Finally, you don't write one book for MC-ship and all those kind of things. Just in a very short way, just tell us about this book and. Because we know say you do MC for event and all that thing. So don't put all the knowledge for inside book. We could just hear for that side.
The first one, because time no day. When I come look, say you get some people where they go into some professions, they don't understand that well.
Whole thing.
So I say, me, I don't do this thing for close to 19 years. Make I leave legacy where they go take, they remember me.
Okay.
You know, by the grace of God, this year I did 52.
Whoa!
By May 21st, this year.
Not be small thing, no.
It's God Almighty, you know.
Yes, sir.
Some people they say, "Hi, you never reach that age," but it's God's grace. You know, I give Him the glory. Now, so when I come look, I say, "Okay, make I write something." You know, I took time. I was compiling the whole thing because I noticed they never write book about wetin MCB, wetin comedy be. You know, now I can't jam the book. Come with the concept, understanding the act and practice of the master of ceremonies profession. It's there for Unilag Bookshop, their mass communication department. You know,
so they use them
some of them some people will won't buy them. You know, they are still copies, but since I never go there because I won't package them, launch them. I never get the cash. Yeah, where I go take lunch time, you know. So that's why I just cool and down say make I just take and small, you know.
Very. If we say we'll continue this talk like this show no go finish. You know, say when veterans are the yarn like this, man, plenty wisdom there to dish out. But not everything we go fit do for one day. Because we'll see carry bros come back another day again. Go still give us onto different areas of this particular gist there. Because even me, we say we need the blessing of the whole thing like this. But if they want to reach you now, they go to reach you.
Okay, I did on Facebook.
Okay.
All small letters Obiharrt. That's Obi-Hart. 2005 at yahoo.com.
Okay.
Yeah, go see the pictures of the acting where I don't act with all these popular. Me, I know be diva, as they call them, diva, you know, celebrity and all that. Me, I know say I don't try with 17 movies and 3 soaps, Super Story, Heaven's Gate, and Tinsel. This present Tinsel. I act with Jide Kosoko and you know all these like Fumi Holder, you know, just like that. So that is the Facebook. You feel reach me there.
Okay.
Or 080 Abi make I.
Yeah, if you see Abi, okay, my brother say make we know don't put number. Okay.
Make I not take number.
But if you see you for Facebook, sha.
Yeah. Obi-Hart 2005. 2005 at yahoo.com.
All right. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank everybody. They thank bros, rather. We don't follow us inside the building like this. Before you come up for a year, you go bless me. You have to bless me. You cannot go without blessing me. All right? But at the same time, they say very, very big thank you to you, sir. See you follow us inside the studio. Of course, we will see Carrie come back another day again. We will see do more talk onto the whole thing.
I thank you now. Wetin they do for Wazobia, they sweet me for body.
Thank you very much.
I don't they watch you now, especially those ladies where they young men, they hit men. You know? I love your shows.
All right. God
go bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. God will bless you too, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll never come up for the show. We still get Slow Shane, and you can't do show yourself on top of the level before we carry him out, come up for everything. All right. So we come back. All right, now welcome back to the late night show. Okay, if you see the ginger way this guy body now, if you leave him, Slow Shane go jam everything here just for the ginger way in body. But right now, Slow Shane going to perform for us onto the show yourself segment. Okay, so quickly, we leave now for the hands of Slow Shane. Slow Shane, you not ready?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. You want bro?
I don't ready.
So do your thing, all right, man.
Yeah, out, slow, talking about what we baby. Yeah. I'm on with today, slow it down, but back it up for me, my rider be a carder. I'm on para, my shit dara, my love fit dara, my swing up in John Grover. I'm on you to kill me, dumb game over. I'm on you bad, don't play me with poker. I'm on you to round me, you're so many joker. Tell me what you want, my sorry, Lord, harder. Oh no, multi-high, my wine spirit, be undertaker. I'm on you do, I'm already like to take her. I'm on you want trouble, I'm already like to give her. The way you the swing, I'm a move big Ferrari. See your 2 kilo, wishing Tommy pointer. Jeff Ferrari, mon swallow saliva. Baba got Joe, and fool me in the labor. I saw the look, you won't fool me in the favor. High blood pressure, bomb explosion. Some of them bow, some of them dire. I'm a me, Baba, what they share with me. Tell me how you want them. Watch me killing it, watch me drilling it. I'm not feeling it, I know you're feeling it. End of discussion, play shorty, tell me what you want, yeah. Shorty what you want, shorty wanna ride, shorty wanna fly, shorty wanna play. I'ma tell me what you want, yeah. I'ma tell me what you want. Ow, I'ma kill a fat, yeah. I'ma kill a gay, yeah. I'ma kill a Joe. Shorty wanna play, I'ma tell me what you want, yeah. Shorty tell me what you want, yeah. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals to 22. Base to mommy, jump for any touchdown. Josh, press up, you want my hands up. It DM bounce, my smash up a rocket. You go bounce with tennis ball. More money to ride you in every arena. I'm a whole weekend the way you did do me. But to 2 movement, yeah. Now, surely end down my light to be candle. I'm a 2 poison now down. Cabra, till I'm well little bit. You want my suffer. I'm a waffle, so kill I keep me hallelujah. Nobody a walking juice in the basket. I'm a kid of game, damn container. Punch your miracle. I'm a 2 beautiful. Good short, tell me kill a fat, yeah. Shorty what you want, shorty wanna ride, shorty wanna fly, shorty wanna play. I'ma tell me what you want, yeah. I'ma tell me what you want. I'ma kill it.
Thank you. Slow Shane. All right, so we're not hear from Slow Shane. Whether on film, we don't film any which way. Just want to go at W Late Night Show, reach there, make you give us the gist. How I feel a performance right now. Slow Shane. Correct one. Once a big thank you to everybody who joined us for the show today. Now they see my Banky W cap, you don't leave them. Come out just now with the helmet and everything. Easy bit. How you see the everything?
It makes sense.
How you see performance?
No, the guy ain't trying.
You dey feel the beat, so that means in ginger just now, man.
Turn up. I like the song.
All right, so we go say biggest thank you to everybody. For myself and Easy Bit on the Wings of Steel, we say good night to everybody. Of course, our Banky W follow us day today. Make us still give us the gist on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Una feel say na be the real, na be the fake. Jam us for they give us the gist. So good night to everybody. God bless you now. Easy Bit, can I come out? Hey.
See your 2 kilo, wishing Tommy pointer. Jeff Ferrari, mon swallow saliva. Baba got Joe, and fool me in the labor. I saw the look, you won't fool me in the favor. High blood pressure, bomb explosion. Stimulum bow, stimulum dara. Sell me, Baba, what they should me say. Tell me how you want them. March me killing it, march me drilling it. I'm not concealing it. I know you're feeling it. Hand of discussion. Play shorty, tell me what you want. Shorty, what you want? Shorty wanna rap. Shorty wanna fly. Shorty wanna play. I'ma tell me what you want. Yeah, I'ma tell me what you want. Ow. I'ma kill it fat, yeah. I'ma kill it bad, yeah. I'ma kill it Joe. Shorty wanna play, I'ma tell me what you want. Yeah, shorty tell me what you want. Yeah. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals to 22. Base on me, them for any touchdown. Josh, press up. You want to my hands up. You didn't bounce, my smash up a little rocket. Yeah, bounce.